How to add bank on Phantom Wallet. To add bank on Phantom Wallet, open the Phantom Wallet app on your device. Ensure you have the latest version of the app installed. Log into your Phantom Wallet account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings or Accounts section. Look for an option labeled Add Bank or Link Bank Account. Tap on that option to begin the process of adding a bank. Choose your bank from the list of supported institutions. Enter your bank account details, including account number and routing number. Verify your identity using any authentication methods required by your bank. Review the provided information for accuracy before proceeding. Confirm your request to link the bank to your Phantom Wallet. Follow any additional prompts or instructions to complete the bank linking process. Once confirmed, your bank account will be successfully added to your Phantom Wallet for transactions and transfers. That's it. Thanks for watching.